All right, everybody, so I got asked to give a real quick explanation about how to operate a live PTO clutch on a modern tractor. So let me see if I can walk you through this in a way it's gonna make sense to you. And I appreciate the subscriber there in Greece for giving me the idea. I'm sorry your name escapes me at the moment, but I'll see if I can post a link to the comment down below. So PTO, live PTO. Okay, you got a 2-stage clutch. Your first stage, which is whenever you first come down, all right, is going to be to shift gears. Okay, that way you're not disengaging your PTO if you need to change speeds in the middle of operation. To set your PTO, to activate it, you're going to push all the way down, and then you're going to pull your lever. Okay, and then when you come up about halfway, like I say, your PTO will start. Okay, but you can disengage your transmission. Like say you come up to something, you need to turn around or you need to back up, you know, whatever. You don't want to disengage your PTO. You just want to be able to shift gears. So whenever you push down, whenever you first start feeling it grab there, that's where you're going to shift your gears at. All right, hope that helps you out. And by the way, if you don't have a live PTO, what that means is you're going to have to stop to turn your PTO on and off or to change gears. Okay, now on the newer tractors, it's got automatic PTO, and what that means is the PTO is completely separate from the transmission. Okay, all right, hope that helps.